Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to install the tweeters in your 2016 Plus Toyota Tacoma. The tools you need are listed here. Alright, so the first step is we're going to assemble the tweeters. Carefully remove the tweeters from the packing. Insert the tweeter into the bracket and attach the backing plate with the two screws. Be sure to tighten them evenly and snugly. Alright, stop here and be sure to disconnect your battery before proceeding on with the next steps. Alright, so in this next step we're starting with the passenger side and we're going to remove the A-pillar panel to give us access to the tweeter cover. This step is necessary only on the passenger side. Using a pry tool or small screwdriver, remove the bolt covers as seen here in the video. Next, take a 10mm socket and remove the two bolts. Remove the A-pillar panel by pulling the top part outward and then towards the center of your Tacoma, then lift upward away from the dash. Next, using a pry tool, slowly and carefully pop the tweeter panel cover upward. Follow the same route you see here in the video. Remove the two 10mm bolts using the ratchet and wrench as demonstrated in the video. Next, lift the tweeter out, then using your finger, push the harness release button and remove the tweeter from your Toyota Tacoma. Alright, so next you're going to plug your new tweeter into the stock wiring, then position the tweeter like you see here in the video. Next, install the factory bolts, make sure to tighten them up. Install the tweeter cover like you see here, start from the front, work your way to the back. Carefully install your A-pillar panel starting with the dash or lower part first, then insert the top part back into position. Install the two factory bolts you removed earlier. Be sure to tighten them up. Next, snap the beauty covers back into place and you're done. Repeat the same steps for the driver's side, but again, as we mentioned earlier, you do not need to remove the A-pillar panel on the driver's side. While you're here, be sure to subscribe on YouTube, follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and be sure to like us on Facebook.